Well, hello, and welcome back to another incredible episode of Thrift Twists, the place where we go into our favorite secondhand shops on the hunt for inspiration and then head back home and make something very beautiful. I can't wait to see what we're going to make today. Let's go. Now, what is going on here? I feel like this was definitely someone's DIY. It looks like let's see. I think this is somebody's DIY, but wouldn't it be interesting if this was actually something that was purchased like this? It looks like it's got that kind of reindeer moss and whatnot in there. You know, they sell this at the Hobby Lobby. And then it's got a little rock in there. Interesting. You know, even if it is somebody's DIY, it's interesting. And I definitely think that we could recreate this ourselves if we wanted to. What's the price? Oh my goodness. Did somebody just drop this off? Y'all, I don't see a price on this. Oh, hello. So maybe somebody just put this up here. I don't know, because I don't see a price. I don't know what that means. Oh my gosh, you guys, I had to step back. Do you guys see the length of these stems? I don't think I've ever seen a stem that long before. I don't know if you guys can see, kind of based on my hand, just how gigantic these are. If you are a person who believes in doing big arrangements, this is your situation. Let's see what the price is, you guys. $15.99 for the biggest, longest bouquet ever known to man. I do like the different kind of colors that they have in it. These kind of almost like faux lilacs. This color is really, really pretty. And I kind of like these too. So you're getting quite a bit for that $15.99, and the length alone is pretty dang cool. Come through candelabra. Why is this the coolest thing I've ever seen? $3.99. Sorry about that, you guys. But it just caught my eye because does it not just look like regal? Like it's just about that life? I have literally no need for it. But I was considering maybe doing a little DIY-zy. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if we can find something else. Now, what is this thing here? Oh, this is a planter pot, isn't it, you guys? I like those little strawberries there. It's very cute. I'm trying to think if I can do something else with this pot because she is very cute. I do not see, am I missing the price? I do not see a price on it, but nice. Let's see if we can see anything else. Sorry for moving you guys so fast. Now that is dang cool. I love this color blue. What is that? $3.99 right there. It looks like it is maybe from, let me see if I can push it here. Maybe like Target or Walmart. Where's Better Homes and Gardens from? Is that Walmart, you guys? But I think this is the coolest thing. It's kind of got me, you guys, because I'm thinking about doing a little kind of an arrangement or something in it. I feel like I wouldn't even have to change that much. Otherwise, you know what, you guys? Something just came at me, and I'm wondering if we can pull it off. If I can pull off what I'm thinking about, that would be so cool. You guys, I think I might grab this. Now, this is interesting, you guys. Check this out. If I can get my hands on it. It's just kind of a big old box. Oh, she's heavy. Filled with seashells. Let me get it over. $4.99, and it's basically just a box of seashells. So I think maybe hopefully this opens, and then you could utilize any of the seashells for any sort of DIY or anything you're into, and then use the box for something else. So $4.99 for that's not a worst price ever, because you're kind of getting a lot for that $4.99. Okay, you guys, I had to show you this because check this out. It is... It's funny. It's like, oh, are you talking to me? Oh, I think he's actually saying what I'm saying. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so ridiculous. Do you guys see this? Don't make fun of me, little thing. It's literally a cactus, you guys, that is talking back to me for $2.99. That is insane. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. Oh my gosh. Sorry, you guys. I am completely now enamored with this nonsense, but I think that's cute. For $2.99, that's the first time I've seen anything like that inside of the Goodwill. That is too funny. Okay, guys, I was on the kind of miscellaneous kind of section of this thrift store, and I found this. What a throwback, and how cool. It's like a jean. See, it's got kind of a jean covering on it. And for those of you who are not ancient, like me, you might not understand what this is, but this is how we used to keep our CDs, DVDs, and things like that. It's basically like they slide into each one of these pockets. Sorry about my dry hands, you guys, but I love this. I've never seen one with a denim outside like this, but I think that is so dang cute. Put in the comments if you guys still have CDs, DVDs, or whatever. $1.99 for that. I think that's an actual great deal. Let me see if I see anything else before I pop out of here, you guys. This is interesting. Oh my gosh. You guys seen that? It's a place card holder thing. So it's a couple of metal place card holders. I love that. Now here's a problem. They're telling me that when you got it brand new, it was $2.99. I am at the Goodwill currently, but they're still trying to get $2.99 for it. Put in the comments if you think it's kind of weird to be thrifting something that costs the exact same amount as it did when it was brand new. Put in the comments if you think that's a little kooky. Let me know. So here is the item that we chose to use as our inspiration piece. Let's head home and see what we come up with. So before we jump into our DIY, I want to take a quick moment and introduce you to Tawanda from Tawanda's Blessed Life. She and I are collaborating on the video today. Here's the thing about Tawanda. She has a wonderfully eclectic farmhouse kind of style that I love so much. And on her channel, she does furniture flip DIYs. She does grocery hauls. She is redoing her backyard, and she is taking us along for the ride. If you were interested in any of that, please head over to Tawanda's channel and let her know that I sent you. So this is going to be another one of those blink and you're going to miss it DIYs. And that's one of the things that I love about thrifting. When I thrift smart, I don't have to do much to make it amazing, right? So this vase was already beautiful. You're going to see me go ahead and add some off-white aquarium rocks, and then we're going to add a genius item. I had some of those battery operated votives that I picked up from Dollar Tree from last Halloween, and they are going to give this piece a kick. You'll see me as I nestle them down into the aquarium rocks, and I'm going to let you guys watch as this comes together. So lastly, I'm going to add a 3-tiered piece of greenery that I did pick up from Temu. I'll make sure to link it in the description box. This turned out lovely. Again, I think I personally could have done whatever I wanted to with this vase because it was beautiful to start with. And again, those votives that I had from the Dollar Tree are just giving it that little something extra. It's just that pale little light that's really making that blue pop and shine for me. I love this. Let me know if you guys love it too.